How to speed up audio in Canva 2025 step by step. So everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can speed up your audio on Canva. So first of all, you need to open a project, and after that you can just add some audio to the project. As you can see, we can go to the audio and put this audio to this project. And as you can see, there is no option to speed up the audio from here. You just simply need to save it as a video from here and download it, and after that you just have to click on the uploads options, and as you can see I have already downloaded it. You just need to simply select that, and as you can see I have selected that and it's being played now, and I can just speed up or speed lower from here. As you can see, I can speed lower and play that. It's lower in speed, and if I speed up this to 1.75, it's now speed up. So that's how you can speed up your audio on Canva. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.